Hello everybody, this is a tutorial on how to make a book cover. The most simplest way to make a book cover. There are several software you can use to make a book cover. There's Adobe, there's Canvas, but I'm using VistaCreate. All you need to do is just go to VistaCreate, register, and you're good to go. See, there's a lot of options you can choose from. You can choose anyone you want to edit, but we'll be starting from a fresh page. So this is your background. Then you need to choose a background. You need a color background depending on the book you want. If you want color, so let me see. I might go with a brownish color, a little bit lighter. It all depends on what you want to write about. Now, after you have changed the background, then you go to the pictures. The picture is the first thing you want to use. It all depends on the book you're writing, or you want to use animation or objects. The objects, it's your choice. You're the one writing the book. I might use this. The book. Then I'll say I might enlarge it with the console. It simply depends on you, the book you want to write. You might change it. You might go to. You might change it. Delete. You want to use this one. Basically, it depends on you what you want to write with your book. Sorry, this is my first time I'm doing a tutorial, so uh, yes, for most of you might be asking, I'm a writer and author. Most of my books I design the covers myself. So, well, you can decide to use this one, or you can go to the photo, or you can even excuse me, you can even update, you can even upload. There's a there's a place which you can upload your image or your photo or even purchase, depending on what you want to use. If the pictures or the animation or the objects you want to use for your background is not being located or it cannot be found or is under sales and you cannot buy it, then you can just upload some free image that's royalty free image. Then you upload them through this place here. You click them, then you start uploading. These are my uploads, but we're not talking about that right now. So as you through it, arranging, dragging, using your console to drag and place the image where you want it to be. Then the next one to go for is text. Now you might choose to photo test. It's your choice. Don't worry, I will talk about that on another video. Um, but the simplest text is just use a text. With this, you can change your font, your font size, your color, make it bold, clear. Let's see. Now, what title will I name my book? Hmm. Okay, don't laugh at my title too much. I'm just trying to give an example of what I'm talking about. So here we have the text. Now let's move it downwards. The woman on the let's move it downwards. Let's see. Okay, then move it downwards. You can increase your text, you can reduce them from here, you can reduce them to the console, so it depends on you. So it depends on what you want to do. Now, the next thing to do is to change um, the style font. Now I want to go for a more, okay, either you go for, you can choose among the fonts which one you really want, or you can just upload your own font. There's a possibility of that. Then you can change the color. If you don't like, you don't want to go with black, you can easily change the color from there. You can change the color to fit the text. It all depends. Um, so let's see. Let me go with white. I don't think white will feel really good. Nope, it doesn't look good. You can change it till you get the better color you're looking for. Till you get the better color you want. Okay, I'll go with this one. Go with the red. Make it more bolder. Well, it should end like this, but you still need to your readers need to know who the books belong to. Then for you not to go to add text again, you can just right click and then go to duplicate or copy. But duplicate is more preferable because it's you don't need to right click double click again to give you the exact. Just duplicate, Control D, and it gives you the exact vector text. Then change it to your name. Change the font again. I personally don't like using red as a name base, so I'll change it. I might apply for white or better still. No, better. And we can move it. And we can move it whatever you want. What do we feel? Now, this might seem simple, but there are rather a lot of complicated ways you can create a book cover. This is just the front design. There's always a back design. This is just the simplest way you want to use to create a book cover. I recommend it for the beginners. There are some of us who do not have the money to purchase or look for a professional designer. We can do it ourselves. But for those of us who have a book on Amazon, ebook, eprint, you might want to go for a more lucrative designs for your book cover. So yeah, this I have a lot of video I would like to do to teach on books and covers and even the write-ups. So if you like my video, please click on the subscribe